Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to read one of our stories. It's called Red Eyes or Blue Feathers. And our topic this week is animal colors. Okay, I'm going to sit nice and close so that you can really see the pictures because there's going to be a lot of cool animals in here. Okay, this is a book about animal colors. It's by Patricia M. Stockland, illustrated by Todd Oren. Color adaptations. What's the best way to survive in the wild? Adaptation. Color is one way to adapt. So how does an animal's color help it survive? Some animals have colors that help them hide from hungry predators. Other animals use their color to keep from being seen while they hunt. Colors even help animals find mates or talk to each other. Read on to find out why some animals have such clever colors. Maybe an animal will be your favorite color. This is called a red-eyed tree frog. Bright red eyes shine in the night. The red-eyed tree frog is wide awake. During the day, this tiny frog hides its bright colors by closing its eyes and tucking up its legs. The red-eyed tree frog's shiny green back blends in with the trees. Predators think the little frog is a leaf. And then it has a little bit more information down here. It says the vertical pupils of the red-eyed tree frog help it see better at night. Daytime frogs usually have horizontal pupils. So they're talking about this black part that's called the pupil. And when it goes up and down, it's called vertical. And when it goes sideways, it's called horizontal. So because it has this up and down pupil, it helps it see better at night. Polar bear. White fur surrounds a shiny black nose. A polar bear slowly lumbers across the snow. The polar bear's snow-colored coat blends in with the Arctic tundra. Its favorite treat is seal blubber. As the bear sits on the edge of the ice, a seal comes up for air. The seal doesn't see the giant paw grabbing for it. Grrr. And then it tells us a little more. Polar bears are not actually white. Their fur is transparent. Remember, we learned that when we did our polar animal theme. It's transparent or clear. Light reflects off of it and makes it appear white or yellowish. This is a red fox. Rusty colored fur rustles through the woods. A red fox follows a scent. A scent is a smell. This small fox finds food in many places. Its red coat and dark tail help it blend in with plants and trees. Neither predators nor prey can see the sly fox. Being able to hide so well helps this animal live and survive in many different places. It says the red fox will eat almost anything, including insects, fruit, and leftover food from people's garbage cans. Seahorse. Yellow, green, and brown seaweed swishes in the shallow sea. A small seahorse swishes in the seaweed too. The seahorse is a slow swimmer. Its yellow-brown armor helps it blend in with the seaweed. Larger fish can't see the seahorse hiding. The seahorse can quickly change color to blend in better with its surroundings. It also changes color when it mates. So it just kind of looks like another piece of this seaweed here, doesn't it? Killer whale. Now we've talked about them too when we did our ocean unit. A huge black and white animal glides through the water. The killer whale is ready to attack. This ocean mammal is a smart hunter. Black and white markings help this large animal hide. From below, its white belly looks like sunlight. From above, its black becomes part of the ocean's shadows. It says killer whales use a lot of hunting tricks. Some swim under chunks of ice and tip them. Resting seals slide right into the water. Remember, we learned too that sometimes they hunt in packs. They'll surround their prey. Macaw. Red, blue, yellow, and green feathers float in the air. A colorful macaw lands in the trees. Macaws are some of the brightest birds around. The fancy colors fit well in their rainforest homes. These bold colors help the parrots blend into their surroundings. The white skin around a macaw's beak will turn red if the bird is excited or angry. Black rhinoceros. A big booming tank stomps down the hill. The black rhino is on its way to the watering hole. This giant creature isn't really black. It is actually gray. Rhinos like to cool off by getting dirty, but the mud also makes them look darker. A nice mud bath makes the hot African sun easier to handle. The dried mud on a rhino's skin also protects the animal from pesky flies. You know what other animal likes to take mud baths? Pigs! This is a jewel beetle. A shiny blue and gold shell shimmers in the sun. A jewel beetle sparkles on a flower. This bright beetle looks pretty enough to wear, but don't be fooled. It uses the dazzling color as a disguise. Predators think this tasty creature is part of a plant. Jewel beetles also use their bright colors to find mates. I'm not a fan of bugs, but that one's pretty, isn't it? Chameleon. Green skin turns yellow and then turns to red instead. The changing chameleon rests on a rock. A chameleon's shade changes depending on its mood and temperature. It uses this clever color code to show how it feels. Color is one way chameleons communicate. Many people think chameleons can change any color, but they can't. Their colors do include black, white, blue, green, red, and yellow. And tomorrow we're going to read a book on chameleons. It says, do you remember? Point to the picture of the animal described in each question. So there's the tree frog, there's the black rhinoceros, this is the red-eyed tree frog, black rhinoceros, and the orca or killer whale. The dried mud on my skin makes me look black. This baked-on color helps me keep cool. Who am I? You guys know this. The rhinoceros. My black and white colors help me hunt in the ocean. With my disguise, my prey can't see me. Who am I? That's easy, right? Killer whale. My bright green back looks just like a leaf. This color hides me during the day while I sleep. Who am I? Red-eyed tree frog. Very good. Hope you enjoyed the story and learned something. In fact, I have a couple questions for you. Which animal did you like best in this story and why? And the second question is, what was something you learned that you didn't already know? Okay? Tomorrow we're going to read about chameleons. See you. Bye-bye.